Chairman, we can hear your address. Is this how we've taught you to behave?
It's my fault, sir. I never realized.
Thank you for your honesty. Stay away from my dog.
How did you get out?
Don't know. Are they sending me to finishing school? I don't know what my future will be.
I do.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting for me. Through the dark, through the door, you were no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I'm lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I'm lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design.
Timur, that's your service. I am putting together a show, and I need a star.
You want people to laugh at you.
Well, I've been laughing anyway, kids. Might as well get paid. I see a soldier, no, a general, riding across the stage with a sword and a gun, and in the most beautiful uniform ever made. People will come from all over the world, and when they see him, they won't laugh. They'll salute. Oh,
Sir, you should be here.
I'm sorry. Who's doing this singing? It's you, isn't it?
Sir, I have to ask you.
You are so talented and blessed.
Please leave me alone.
They don't understand, but they will. Got your head home low, up the skies and you're so inside, but you can't shake the weight, 'cause you just a little walking, thinking that you own action. But you can flip the switch and grab up your darkest day. Sounds like the colors blind. Take a walk and we need to find. Leave behind your narrow mind. You'll never be ashamed. Come alive. Come alive. Got a light on everything. Doing so bright. To the sky. And it's all red and white. Your best red fire. The world becomes a fantasy. And you know could ever be. 'Cause you dream with your eyes wide open. And you know you can't go back again to the world that you were living in. 'Cause you dream with your eyes wide open.
Now, whatever please raise
Sure.
their glasses. To Mr. Bowman, who has shown once and for all that a man's station is limited only by his imagination.
Hey, what are you doing here? You're gonna show it an hour, okay? No. But
What?
it's very crowded in here, okay? And I can't have you mingling. Guys, who's gonna pay admission if you're out there for all the world to see, okay? Have a great show.
Ladies and gentlemen, I told you, Jenny, you're the reason I'm going yet. And they are going.
I'm not a stranger to you. I want your broken heart. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, you say, no one will ever
this promise in restart, like an anthem in my heart.
However big, however small,
From now on. From now on.
This is real.
What will you be doing? Watching my girls grow up?
Let's go on.